Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can draw lines in chess.com. So let's get right into it. Firstly, I'm going to go and open up a classroom and I'm going to create a new class. I'll just make this empty and here we go. As you can see, the game has been loaded up and now I can draw lines in a couple of different ways. If I just right click and drag, as you can see, that creates an arrow, in this case an orange arrow, which serves the purpose to pretty much plan the trajectory of pieces across the board, and you can delete them easily just by left clicking. Now you can also draw lines by right clicking the spaces and drawing lines like so, and as you can see, that also does the job. But yeah, those are pretty much the main ways of drawing lines. You can also do different colors by holding either shift, control, and alt. You get different colors. For example, shift is green, control is red, and alt is blue. And as you can see, that creates different lines, different arrows. You can also do the same for right clicking, just different spaces. Control is, in this case, is orange because control drag is a red arrow. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.